For your field training, we're looking at the Olight Warrior X. The Warrior X has been out for a while in black, and this is the tan or sand coloration of it. It works just like the original black version. It's got a metallic push button on the back that is super durable, and the first push of the push button, you get 600 lumens, and if you push harder, you get 2,000 lumens. It's a very intuitive UI for a flashlight. You're not going through a whole bunch of garbage to get what you want. It's the modes that people use the most often right at your fingertips. It has the same charging system as all Olights. You plug a little charger into any USB port and then pop it on the back end of this. It magnetic mounts, and it gives you a red indicator when it's charging and a green indicator when it's fully charged. It works really well in urban spaces. We'll roll a little video in here to show you, and it gets awesome throw. So that's the new color of the Olight Warrior X. Until next week, you guys be safe and take care of each other. Hey, thanks for watching free field training on YouTube. While you're here, why don't you go check out one of our other videos, or you can head on over to the Patreon and see how you can get your name put on the videos like these fine folks listed over here. There's also some exclusive content on Patreon that just shows you kind of behind the scenes like you're seeing now. We'll see you guys next time.